If they weren't already hotly contested, with less than 24 hours for the Hyderabad Municipal Corporation elections, a video has emerged where alleged TRS workers are seen distributing 1,000 rupees for every vote. A massive political war of words has now erupted.
With less than a day left for the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation polls, political parties in the city have been accusing each other of distributing cash for votes. In the video that has emerged, alleged TRS party workers are seen distributing ₹1,000 for every vote. Raising slogans, BJP workers took to streets protesting against the Cash for Votes campaign. With blame game doing rounds, there has been a massive war of words that has erupted.
The Chief Minister has distributed 2 crores per constituency for money to be distributed so that he can get votes. After his failure of the public meeting recently, where there were hardly 8,000 people, and I must say that none of the people who came there were enthusiastic. Very few people from city attended that meeting. I know for myself because I come from Chennur, from far away. Each MLA was directed to send 200 people for this meeting. So all district MLAs sent their people to this meeting. So it was an utter failure.
Particularly after the campaigning is over, 5 o'clock yesterday, once the campaigning was over, TRS party cadre and the leaders who have come from different parts of the state for the campaign have indulged in brazen distribution of the money, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees per vote kind. They have started distributing in all the divisions and wards of the Greater Hyderabad.
This comes after BJP unleashed an aggressive campaign for the upcoming polls, especially with all the party bigwigs and stalwarts exhibiting show of strength in the city of Hyderabad.
लोकतंत्र के अंदर कोई चुनाव छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता। भारतीय जनता पार्टी हर इकाई में हमारी विचारधारा और कमल के निशान को लेकर जाना चाहती है और जिस प्रकार से तेलंगाना की जनता ने लोकसभा में मोदी जी को समर्थन दिया है, मैं मानता हूं तेलंगाना में परिवर्तन की शुरुआत हो गई है और हैदराबाद म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन इसका अगला पड़ाव है।
With BJP leaving no stone unturned to ensure a sweeping win in the upcoming polls, AIMIM chief in an exclusive interview with Republic slammed BJP for their campaigning tactics. Listen in.
Campaigning by a political party is their prerogative, but the language that has been used by BJP, by calling a particular area of Hyderabad that we'll do a surgical strike, and by saying that people living in that area are Pakistanis, Rohingyas and Afghanis, it is really, it is like going below dignity, and it is completely vulgar type of language.
With 1,122 candidates in the poll fray for 150 wards in GHMC, a triangular contest is being witnessed in the city of Hyderabad. And the national focus is on Hyderabad, making it a prestige battle for BJP, who is trying to set foothold before the 2023 elections and is hopeful of strengthening grassroots democracy in Hyderabad.
The State Election Commission had announced the polling date, and also the State Election Commission had mentioned that in case if needed be, and the re-election could be held on 3rd of December. The twist in this voting is that the polling will take place on the ballot papers and not on the EVMs and VVPATs.
With tough competition from TRS and AIMIM, it remains to be seen if Lotus will bloom in the city of Hyderabad. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
इस बार चुनाव के बाद हैदराबाद में मेयर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का होगा, ये हैदराबाद की जनता ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है।
तो ये गुफ्तगू की आगाज बीजेपी से हुआ। अब आप बताते नहीं, अगर यहाँ पे रोहिंग्या है, पाकिस्तानी है, तो होम मिनिस्टर आप है ना, मैं तो नहीं हूं। इसका कोई जवाब नहीं। और फिर आके बोलना कि हम हैदराबाद में अपना मेयर बनाएंगे। अमित शाह साहब, हैदराबाद की कहावत है, बिल्ली के ख्वाब में छुछड़े ही छुछड़े।
हैदराबाद की जनता को भरोसा दिलाना चाहता हूं कि हम हैदराबाद को नवाब निजाम कल्चर से मुक्त होकर एक मिनी इंडिया बने ऐसा शहर बनाने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे। निजाम कल्चर को त्याग कर एक आधुनिक शहर बने, इस प्रकार का हम हैदराबाद को बनाएंगे। यहाँ किसी का अपीसमेंट नहीं होगा, किसी के साथ अन्याय भी नहीं होगा।
A ruling party which is ruling India and Delhi classifies an area in Hyderabad as Pakistan and calls those peoples Pakistanis and Afghanis when they are Indian citizens. You know, saying that in voter list there are 30,000 Rohingya names. Please show us the proof. And by using such gutter language, the BJP has casted aspersions on the Home Minister itself.
224.50 करोड़ फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट एसडीआरएफ का हमने दे दिया था और 3 नवंबर को 224.50 करोड़ टोटल सिर्फ हैदराबाद के लिए 500 करोड़ रुपया अप्रोक्सीमेटली हमने दिया है।
They have not given a single paisa for the development of infrastructure in Hyderabad. If they have given, please show us which water reservoir came up with your Government of India funds, which road widening took place, which pollution control measures were taken.